Android Studio 2.2. Make a cake with layers and candles. Create the main function. 1. In main function, create a variable age and set it to 24. 2. In main function, create a second variable layer and set it to 5. 3. In main function, call the function printCakeCandles function and pass in the age. This will leave you with an error because you haven't created that function yet. 4. To eliminate the error, comment out the function call by adding a double slash at the beginning of the line. 5. Similarly, call the function printCakeTop function and pass in the age. 6. Finally, call the function printCakeBottom function and pass in the age and layer number. Create printCakeTop function. 1. Below the main function, add a blank line, and then create a function, printCakeTop. It accepts an integer type parameter, age. 2. Inside, use a repeat statement to print 1 equals sign age times, plus 2, make it a little longer. 3. At the end, when repeat function completes, a blank line is printed. 4. In main function, delete the double slash symbol from the beginning of the printCakeTop code line, because this function already exists. 5. Run your code to see the top of the cake. Create printCakeCandles function. 1. Below the main function in printCakeTop function, create a new function, printCakeCandles. It accepts an integer type parameter, age. 2. Inside, use the repeat statement to print a comma for the flame. 3. Repeat this age times. 4. Add a print statement to print a space for inserting candles. 5. Repeat the steps of creating the second repeat statement, to use the vertical line to print the body of the candle. 6. In main function, delete the double slash symbol from the beginning of the printCakeCandles code line. 7. Run your code to see the top of the cake and candle. Create printCakeBottom function. Draw the @ symbol age plus 2 times to create a layer. 1. Below the existing function, create a function printCakeBottom function, with 2 parameters, age and layers, both of type integer. 2. Inside the function, use the repeat statement to print a layer of its sign age plus 2 times. 3. Run your code to verify that it prints one line of cake bottom. Use nested repeat statement to print the cake layer. 1. Place a second repeat statement around all the code in the function. And remember, in main function, delete the double slash from the code line of printCakeBottom function. Run your code to see the whole cake.